Did you know that the Minta app gives you unlimited product videos of every single product in your Shopify or Etsy store, all with just a click of a couple buttons? Let me show you how. All you need to do is go ahead and select one of the tabs at the top and then start typing in a product title from your store so that Minta can bring in that product and make amazing, ready to share content. Pick this one. Give it a couple seconds. Mint is going to start populating that product into a ton of different video templates. And then all you have to do is choose the one that you like and start sharing away. With Minta, you will never run out of video content for your products. Let me go ahead and show you a couple previews now. And then you can just scroll down and hit the show more button, and Minta will continue creating videos of this one product for you. It's incredible, you guys. Go check it out.